We really wanted to go back to Alabama Hills as we headed north on our summer 2020 trip. After looking at the temperatures and realizing it was going to be in the 90 degrees, I decided to find a better option and campsite. Hogback Road is just northwest of Alabama Hills, not too much further down along the Highway 395 if you're heading north. Google Maps had us exit on Moffett Ranch Road, and then we headed down there until we connected with Hogback Road. The road in is dirt, not too difficult to drive until about the last half mile when you hit the need for four-wheel drive or high clearance vehicles.
Right back here.
You gonna show us? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, okay. At some point driving along Hogback Road, you will veer to the right onto a forest road. And along this road, there are different spurs that another can take and end up down by the creek and camping, but we still wanted to head up higher to higher elevation where it would be cooler. And I was told there'd be some awesome views. Right turn up this small little road takes us to the Creek Weir location where we will set up camp. The following morning, we got up early because it was going to be pretty hot in Alabama Hills and headed out down from our campsite to go basically drive the Jeep around. We actually headed down towards Whitney Portal Road, which was really cool, and then you head back into Lone Pine and take the movie road up through Alabama Hills. The Arch hike was really a short and sweet and easy hike, good for everybody to go and enjoy and see some interesting formations. watching. Follow along by subscribing to this channel, and have a good one.